LA gets about 10 inches of rainfall every year, most of which falls onto hard surfaces and washes down storm drains. During the wet season, 100 million gallons of runoff flush directly to the Pacific every day. But there's a movement afoot to capture some of that water where it falls and use it later during the dry season, with rain barrels, cisterns, and what I've installed at my house, a water wall.
I have 2 of these things, and each one of them holds 317 gallons of water.
Originally, my water walls were supposed to go here along the side of my deck so that I could just flow the water off my roof. But when they're full, each water wall weighs about 3,000 pounds, so it would have been like parking 2 cars on my wooden deck.
I needed another location, which I found next to my garage. A water wall does exactly what its name implies. It's a system that channels the water from a flat catchment surface, such as a roof, into a gutter that drains into a tall, above-ground tank. It operates similar to a rain barrel, only it's a lot bigger. It's also modular. It interlocks and freely flows the water from one wall into another, so it can be used in series to create a waterlogged fence. During a 1-inch rainstorm, I can gather about 600 gallons of water
From my 1,000 square foot garage roof.
What they're made out of is a food-grade polyethylene, which is a very thick plastic that's designed not to get too brittle that it cracks. So in theory, they're supposed to last a really, 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 really long time, which is a good thing because they're freaking expensive. How expensive? Each one costs $1,150, which doesn't include the $700 I spent in shipping or the $1,500 I spent to install it.
The concrete footing alone costs $750, and that's not including the time spent framing the footing, digging the hole, pouring the concrete, finishing the concrete, and letting it dry. This has been quite the project.
I love my water walls. I just wish that they hadn't cost me so much money or taken so much time to put in place. By the time I actually got them up and running, it was at the end of the rainy season. I've only managed to catch 4 minutes worth of rain so far. But believe me, I'll be using these things for the rest of my life. For the Los Angeles Times, I'm Susan Carpenter.